High-end graphics card are just expensive. Low-end graphics card are just trash. I know the thing I am saying trash is gold for others, but today I have a diamond for you guys. If you are watching this video, you are probably a low-end gamer, or maybe not. Today, we are looking at best ever budget graphics card. I have picked this graphics card by comparing its price from its performance, and in that case, it's better than RTX 2080 Ti, actually. But before getting started, let's roll the intro.
Oh shit, oh dang, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around, it look like circus show. Like, this is not the album either, these are just
What is up gamers? In this video I am going to show you the best ever graphics card for you in budget that will give you max performance. This graphic card is capable of running many games on full HD 1080p on maximum graphics setting at 60 frames per second. I mean about 98% of games, including some optimized games such as Red Dead Redemption 2, and the name of the graphic card is AMD Radeon RX 570 4GB edition. Oh yes, it is an AMD graphic card and it performs better than GTX 1650 in all aspect, gaming, editing, etc., and cost cheaper than it. The only downside of this graphic card is, comparing to 1650, is that it's an AMD and that's it. No, in this video we are going to review the graphic card and see how it performs in games like GTA 5, Call of Duty Modern Warfare, Counter-Strike, etc. First, let's talk about the graphics card specifications. AMD Radeon RX 570 has a maximum clock speed of 1255 MHz. It has 2048 stream processors. It enables AMD freezing technology, which helps to remove screen tearing while playing high-end games. It has 4 GB of DDR5 graphics memory, 2 WindForce cooling fans. This thing cost about $150 in US and about 12,000 rupees in India. Perfect deal. Okay, time for some benchmarks. First, the favorite game GTA 5. This test is on the maximum settings with few settings off on 1080p resolution. You can search out benchmarks of any game out there using RX 570. Here you can see all the details. As you can see on the top level of screen, the game is running at almost 100 frames per second. Just imagine playing GTA 5 on maximum graphics on 100 FPS, Jesus Christ. Amazing, isn't it? So if your intention is to play GTA 5 on very smooth FPS with no graphical excuses, you can buy it. As you can see it, oh my god. If you have saved your money, that's the time to spend your money, no need to think. Just go and buy it. Next we have Counter-Strike Global Offensive is set on low settings, since playing on low settings give you an advantage to easily spot damage shadow, so playing such game on maximum graphics settings isn't a good idea, but still not affect a lot of FPS. It's over 300 FPS OMG. So playing on such a high frame rate, you can even imagine how amazing it's going to look like unless you have a low refresh rate monitor. Anyone who loves CS:GO can buy this graphics card. Of course 400 FPS is 2 times more than enough, so what you need. So, the next game is the Valorant. This game is an unoptimized piece shit, so frame rate are lower than usual but still more than 100 and 100 FPS. This is played on low graphics settings to have an advantage over spawning foe. So if you are tired of playing this game on 10 FPS, just buy RX 570. The bad guys will no longer have advantage on you. That's it. Next we have Call of Duty Modern Warfare, aka Call of Duty Warzone. This game is played on low setting. This is a pretty much good looking game with awesome graphics, so playing this game on such a FPS isn't really an issue. All the benchmarks are done by Zorms Gaming. I will provide the playlist of benchmarks using RX 570. Links in descriptions, and that's all for this video guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please leave a like on this video, and I will see you guys on next video.